Accompanying them will be Mr. Yogi Modi, a very integral part of Palm Beach Casino. Sir, please. Please welcome Mr. Udit Narayan, Mr. Yogi Modi, Mr. Meera. Aditya Narayan is on his way. He'll be here in 5 minutes.
Any moment he will be here.
Yeah.
Sir, I'm very sorry because there was so much, traffic. And I request them कि यार 3-4 बजे कर लेना तो बोले कि नहीं ऐसा ऐसा है.
So, welcome Mr. Aditya Narayan. Ladies and gentlemen, sign your Woo!
Sir, center. Right, okay. One more down. Thank you. Okay, thank you.
Wow. एक ही बात कहूँगा कि ज़िंदगी में पहली बार फर्स्ट कवर पे इतना खूबसूरत फोटो डाले हैं मेरा आदित्य जी का. थैंक यू सो मच नारेगा साहब एंड योगी साहब एंड स्टारडस्ट एंड सोसाइटी. थैंक यू सो मच.
Aditya.
मैं इतना ही कहना चाहूँगा कि पापा बहुत हैंडसम लग रहे हैं कवर में.
What about you?
मैं तो ठीक ही हूँ, but I have some time to catch up now. Looking smashing. I wish at his age, at 44, I made him happy. I also look like this. No, it's great. And
44.
yeah,
34 and Nari Hira Sahab only 40.
he's sweet 16. No, it's looking great and it feels great. Yeah, it's my privilege and honor to be on the cover of Society along with my father, who is obviously someone that I look up to a lot, and everyone does. I mean, he's an icon for the entire nation, and to be featured alongside him is a great honor.
Narayan, how does it feel to be a part of Stardust concert?
And after how long you going to London?
Okay.
Yes. So I have to.
Yes.
Namaskar to everyone, and sorry for delay because of there was so much traffic. So I'm very sorry. Aditya is on the way only. Any moments he will be here. So first of all, I'm really very happy that Stardust, such a top magazine, and Nari Hira Sahab and Yogi Sahab is here, and they are going to do our show. So feeling very happy, and going to London after 10 years. Last 2005 we have done some shows with Aditya only. It was in Albert Hall.
That's right.
So after 10 years, I am going to London. So hope everything will be all right. Of course, Nari Hira Sahab and Stardust is there, so बहुत अच्छा होगा show.
Tell us, how does it feel to be a part of a concert like this?
Well, first of all, I would like to thank Mr. Hira and my director, Richard Poyner. He couldn't be here today. Without them, this wouldn't be possible. We did last year Kumar Sanu, and he was absolutely very popular. He was, as you said, he was totally packed. He was absolutely superb. This one, again, I'm hoping, and I'm sure it will be, that I'll be hitting the old generation, the young men, Udit as well. So both father and son are there. It's going to be very popular. It's already, we started advertising over there in the scenes. So he'll be very It'll be fabulous. I'm hoping that again it's going to be totally full.
When you came to know that it was this talented pair, Udit and Aditya Narayan, what was your first reaction?
Wow. Amazing. Something that
You were mentioning how you've you had seen him 10 years back there? Or?
No, it was Kumar Sanu
Ah,
who did it,
yeah.
and I always wanted to have this.
With Kumar Sanu, I think Alka Yagnik was also
Yeah,
there.
that's right.
Yeah,
She was
yeah.
there, and he was very popular.
Good.
And this time as well, as I say, these two are coming, and our customers over there, the Asian community, it's really popular. It's into Bollywood, it's into music. They know these two very well.
Let me add that there are people flying down from New York to London to attend the show.
Oh, wow,
There are
great.
friends.
Arre wow, it's a great thing.
Do you know Bunty Walia?
Banti Walia ji.
His brother, Jesse, he's flying down from New York to London to attend the show.
Yeah.
Wow,
Yeah.
it's a great thing.
So
Means,
maybe-
means they all love Indian music and they all love us.
You.
They love you, not us. You and your son.
No, no, and everyone
They're not
loves
coming
you
to-
since
They're
many
coming
years.
to
My
listen to
God,
you.
Nari Hira ji is, my God, very, very popular since more than 50, 60 years, I think. Eh?
I
How
think
old
I
are
am
you,
my
Mr.
age.
He's very young. I'm also young. जी. So this time, मतलब मजा आएगा, you know, because myself and Aditya is going. So people, they all thinking के father and son, they are going to sing, oh, I love you, daddy. तू मासूम, तू शैतान, but you love me, daddy. Then पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा, बेटा हमारा ऐसा काम करेगा, मगर ये तो कोई न जाने कि मेरी मंजिल है कहाँ। ओ राधा तेरी चुनरी, ओ राधा तेरा छल्ला, ओ राधा तेरी नटखट नजरिया. This is new song, huh?
Signed it today.
He can act, he can sing, he can anchor the show, and he has done also. And people, you all like him so much. So blessings are there, of course. So really, I feel proud. But you know, what I felt good about him, you know, कि when he was 5-6 years old boy only, na, that time only he started singing. And first time he sang with me that Akele Hum Akele Tum, produced by Venus, and lyrics writer, veteran lyrics writer Mazroo Saab, and music by Anu Malik, Akele Hum Akele Tum. So
The song that you just sang, no?
Yeah.
Same song.
अकेले हम अकेले तुम, जो हम तुम संग हैं तो फिर क्या गम, तू मेरा दिल, तू मेरी जान. Then he sang, oh, I love you, daddy. तू मासूम, तू शैतान, but you love.
Yeah, that is
Again.
that, yeah.
So that time I was thinking that it is very difficult. That Aditya was a 5-6 year old boy, but he managed like anything, you know.
Yeah.
So that time I realized that maybe in future he is going to do something. Then he got छोटा बच्चा जान के ना कोई आँख दिखाना रे, टुपी टप टप, and it is a very, very popular music by Anand Raj Anand, film called Masoom, and Time was presents the film. Then he sang.
So Aditya, you tweeted about the event.
Yes, about one of the shows as of now, yes.
Excited?
Oh, extremely, yes. We're going to, I think we are performing, even my father's performing there after a while.
10 years.
After
10
10
years,
years.
yeah. Last 10 years? What
We
do you
have
say?
been there 2005.
Correct,
You
2005.
remember?
हाँ, हाँ,
At
हाँ,
Albert
हाँ.
Hall.
So That was the time when we had gone last, and then that's when I decided that I'm going to stay back here for a year and study music. And I did study music in London for a year, and then I came back, and then we never have managed to go to the UK. I mean, we've traveled everywhere extensively all around the world. My father, obviously, and me also. I've just signed with T Series as an artist, and my first album will hopefully release on his landmark birthday. I won't say what landmark year it is.
First
but
December.
1st December. Yeah.
My birthday is first December. And
Landmark in the sense?
It's a landmark. Now, Wikipedia कर लो आप.
मतलब जहाँ आदित्य meant to say कि जहाँ मदर फादर है वो लैंड है.
और वहाँ पे मैं मार्क कर रहा हूँ. Very bad PG. No, so yeah, that's happening, and my first single just released last month. It's called Tu Hi Pyar Hai. Did very well, and my second single is releasing on my birthday. It's called Tera SG Pound, and I think we have September, October, November. So we have 3 more singles lined up in the next 3 months. So that's what's happening, and yeah, all of them have music videos. It's a great album. Right now it's called Mohabbat, tentatively titled. Let's
Is
see.
wealth. If health is not good, so we can't enjoy anything, you know.
No, and I see people who are in and around his age, and you know, they've started looking like grandfathers. So I'm so happy that, you know.
What is this reference to his age?
Listen, you have to understand that I am, and no, but what I'm trying to say is that for how old he is, like, I wish I look like this. Seriously, मैं रोज रात को सोता हूँ. I'm like, भाई जब मैं यहाँ तक पहुँच जाऊँगा, जब मेरी हाफ सेंचुरी क्रॉस हो जाएगी, please make me look like my father. And I like, मुझे मूंछ भी नहीं आती है actually. तो मैं उसके लिए रुका हुआ हूँ.
बहुत अच्छा है.
क्या?
नहीं ये he's joking.
I'm not joking.
His mustache is already there. आपने काट लिया है.
नहीं. So yeah, I just admire him for how he is and after all these years, because he's literally the same person I've seen since 2 decades now. He's not changed a bit. Lifestyle looks the same, works the same, sounds the same. Very inspiring.
After so much problems.
अरे of course.
After
that to
so much
everybody-
problems.
That to everybody
So many
knows.
problems. इतने सारे problems के बाद भी at least चल रहे हैं. It's a big thing, you know.
On that note, we'll end today's conference, and all the best for your conference, for your concert in London.
Thank you so
All
much.
the best for you to be hosting
Thank you.
them. Yeah.
Looking forward to that.
We will.
Yes.